Then dip me underway. You can feel my mouth flow, flow, flow. Hold me till I scream or breathe. And wash me over until my will runs dry. Send all your sins all over me, baby, baby, baby.
Darlings, welcome back to another one of my videos. Thank you so much for clicking through. If you're new here, hey babe, my name is Ntombi, the classy Ntombazana, and I'm so excited to be with you today. If you have been a part of the channel, you already know my day one. I love you to bits and pieces, so please do subscribe so you can become a part of the classy table. We do lifestyle content, beauty, fashion, life in between, and I'm so excited for this one. Travel. So this is my first travel vlog and I'm so excited. This is a friendcation and I am in the Western Cape, not necessarily in the town of Capetown, but I am in the Western Cape. So if you didn't watch my previous vlog including my travel and a room tour, please go and watch that so you can kind of be up to date as to what's happening. If you can see water droplets on me, it's not spit or anything, it is actually raining. That's just the worst thing about Cape Town weather. But anyway, we do content, we do lifestyle, whether it is storming or there's fire or there's a volcano, we are gonna look stunning. And one thing about me, guys, I will beat the shit out of my face. Okay, so welcome guys, I am so excited to be with you. Oh my goodness, it is literally raining, okay, but we just wanted to take a few content pictures and videos just to enjoy the location that we at. We don't have any plans for today. We did arrive today, so we're just gonna enjoy the location and then start like going out and doing activities from tomorrow. It is Sunday. The day is almost over, but not with us. Okay, I told my friend that we are gonna sleep in January. So if you want fire content, please just click that subscribe button. Okay.
If I wrote you a symphony just to say how much you mean to me, what would you do? If I told you you were beautiful, would you date me on the regular? Tell me, would you? Well, baby, I've been around the world, but I ain't seen myself another girl like you. This ring here represents my heart, but there's just one thing I need from you. Say I do, because I can see us holding hands, walking on the beach, our toes in the sand. I can see us on the countryside, sitting on the grassland side by side. You could be my baby, let me make you my lady. Girl, you amaze me, ain't gotta do nothing crazy. See, all I want.
This is me. Johannesburg weather or not? But it was also gloomy when we left, so I think it should be.
I think that you have both shown great dedication, not only to the competition, to the singing, to getting better, all those sorts of things, but to one another.
Guys, this is orange juice. It's not mimosa. You already know, there's no mimosa here, so we can make a fake one. But just for the aesthetic. Guys, one thing about me, whether I'm on holiday or not, I will cook, okay? So I'm gonna be making like a chicken breast and pasta. So we got some spaghetti, some chicken mushrooms. Can you turn the volume down for me, please? Just a little bit. Some mozzarella. I don't know where it is. There. Some mozzarella, peppers. And then we're also going to have breakfast. So this is just like fruits, mushrooms. I'm just giving you guys an overview. We're gonna start cooking now. We're just trying to get the place a bit warm. It is raining. I'm actually like wet because I'm from a jacuzzi. It is warm. Just when you go out, you feel the like cold breeze and you get cold. So we just put on some fire so we can get the place nice and warm. I think I'm also just gonna put the stove on so it gets a bit warm, so we can start cooking. We are starving, like we've been just shooting content the whole time. So I just want to cook so we can eat. I just enjoy the night.
And another woman that can take your spot, my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away. And another woman that can take your spot, my love. Smile at every word I wrote. What would you do? Would that make you wanna change your scene and wanna be the one on my team? Tell me, would you? See, what's the point in waiting anymore? Cause girl, I've never been more sure that baby it's you. This ring here represents my heart and everything that you've been waiting for. Just say I do. Because I can see us holding hands, walking on the beach, our toes in the sand. I can see us on the countryside, sitting on the grassland side by side. You could be my baby, and you make you my lady. Girl, you amaze me, ain't gotta do nothing crazy. See, all I want you to do is be my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away. And another woman that can take your spot, my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away my love. And another woman that can take your spot, my love. My love. I can see us holding hands, walking on the beach, our toes in the sand. I can see us on the countryside, sitting on the grassland side by side. You could be my baby, and you make you my lady. Girl, you amaze me, ain't gotta do nothing crazy. See, all I want you to do is be my love. My love. My love. And another woman that can take your spot, my love. My love. My love. And another woman that can take your spot, my love.
The plate is empty, my friend. Morning, guys. It's pouring, like flooding almost. Today's, I think it's almost cancelled. I don't think there's anything we're gonna be able to do today, so it's gonna be a night in. Anyway, let's just create content and spend the day in. Yo. Breakfast in the rain. So much oil.
Look up to the sky, to the brighter days. In our eyes there is a revolution. Soon there will no longer be pollution. Shining brighter than all the diamonds. There will be a different horizon. One day we will all come to Zion. Strong as a lion, we can be silenced. No, there's a busy answer to all of this. Even in a hateful heart it exists. Why can't we just all get along now? It's been too long, yeah. We gotta reunite, yeah. Put a man with a gun. You gotta know what goes around comes back around. Asking for forgiveness is the new song. We'll never forget, but silence is loud, yeah. Put a man out rush. The one you want, the best of it, that will be crowned. Gotta be a higher ground, no discount. We only have to go into the mind, yeah.
Chicken jalapeno. Cold chicken jalapeno comes in a bowl. Ranch dressing. I'm on for nachos. What are you having? What's you gonna have to say? I'm fine. It's fine. Do you have coffee? Honestly, I didn't think we were gonna get here, hey? With such like warm weather. After yesterday's storm, no ways. Like I thought we would be forcing it today, but anyway, the sun is out for us. So we just came for brunch. We actually saw this restaurant when we came for like groceries. It's called Gap Cafe. The aesthetic here is so pretty. I just told the girls that we need to come here. It's very, very cute. So we just came here for brunch to have something to eat. I'm afraid to show you these girls, hey? I'm really afraid because we bathed. Okay. We bathed with milk today, not citrus water.
It's not that I want you here, yeah. It's something about the way you said to my eyes. I know that I don't make things clear. I fall for
small. This is a lot.
I'm having shrimp ram.
Oh, I thought you took the paste one. Look at nice though.
It's very nice.
It looks very good.
It's delicious.
And then me and this beauty are having nachos, but I'm having the chicken one. Which
chicken one.
is
I have the
this?
bacon
Yeah.
one.
Is it bacon?
Yeah, I
Is
have
it?
bacon.
Is it nice though?
It's okay.
It's okay.
Yeah, it's nothing
Don't
wild.
disappoint me, but I haven't taken a bite and this is my first time on nachos. Is it? First thing, the guac must be good, okay? The guac is good. But this plate is too much, eh? I'm saying the plate is too much. I expected like a small portion. So I'm kind of overwhelmed from...
Let me like our food. Our food is a solid 8.
Is it?
Yeah, our food is also nice. That pasta thingy. Mine is a solid 6.
Is it? Mine is 9.
Is it what?
It's good. It's not.
a 9.
I'm giving it a 9. Mine is like good. I'm enjoying it. It's just the portion that's going to be trouble. Ooh, I'm so happy.
Come through if you need it. I swear it's gonna keep it feeling to myself. Now you're the one thinking of my highest from my pocket now. Fuck everything I understand. Can't get away. Palm trees, beach views, and everything. All I wanna do is in the pictures on replay. Still right next to you. You do. Try not to show how I feel about you. You wish you away, but we don't really want to. I just wanna get away. Still right next to you. You don't wanna kiss you. Yeah, I just wanna feel you. Feel you. I want you around. Around. I want you around. Around.
Schumacher! Ah, you're jealous, my friend.
And I'm driving 60. Imagine.
Ah, you're jealous.
Imagine.
Huh? Hi guys, we are at Knysna for an elephant experience today. Please come with us.
So much to the poltergeist. Trying to hold on to love, but it's frosting nice time. Much, but a life from a falling sky. Fly to the forces above us, holding on to this present time. Inspired by the ones that were left behind us. Fell for the light of a falling sky. Flying to the forces above us. Crying so much to the poltergeist. Hold on to love, but it's frosting nice time. Much but a light from a falling sky. Fly to the forces above us like. Holding on to this present time. Inspired by the ones that were left behind us. We fell for the light of a falling sky. Flying to the forces above this light. Crying so much to the poltergeist. To hold on to love, but it's frosting this time. So much but a light from a falling sky. Flying to the forces above us. Keep holding on to this present time. Inspired by the ones that were left behind us. We fell for the light of a falling sky. Flying to the forces above this light.
This thing is huge, hey? You?
We can follow the. Okay. Let's go to the. Yeah.
Just relax. I wish that was actually practical. How does it feel, friend?
Just following the rhythm of the LS.
We spent our days on the coast of something beautiful.
Ready for the beef. Miss Timmy and Miss Keisha are gonna face each other.
Pulled into the tide of something real. But somehow I lost you on the way. I assumed you left me behind. Lifeless days and sleepless nights, so tired of it. I can't get you off my mind, can't forget it. Now I know what I've got to do is find my way back to you. Hey, why did
How are you, madam? How tall are they?
Okay. I did not notice it on 3.5.
3.5. Sure. And do you ever weigh them?
She weighs
Is it
4
possible?
tons.
She weighs
She weighs 4 tons.
4 tons.
Find my way back to you. Why did it take us so long? While I was dancing on my own. And now the prayer's been answered in my darkest time. 'Cause now I found you. Now I found you. And now my prayer's been answered. Now I found you. Why did it take us so long? While I was dancing on my own. And now my prayer's been answered in my darkest time. 'Cause now I found you.
That was so beautiful. Oh my god. Honestly, a great experience, worth it. Because of COVID, we couldn't get on it. I really wish they were still doing that though. But anyway, it's a nice experience. Oh, I'm exhausted. You see why? We need to exercise. This wasn't even that long of a walk, but yeah. Thank you. So good.